Every popcorn and kernel begins its journey in fields engineered for precision harvest.
Specialized combines gather popcorn-grade corn without damaging the kernels.
Inside, the system begins separating husk from cob in a single fluid motion.
The harvested cobs travel deeper into the machine toward the onboard grain tank. Precision rollers strip each cob clean, leaving only uniform kernels behind.
An auger lifts the newly freed kernels into the combine's holding chamber.
Once full, the kernels are transferred instantly to transport wagons.
The harvest never stops. Machines coordinate in motion to maximize efficiency.
Filled carts head toward bulk trucks that will transport the kernels to the factory. Each truck is sealed to protect the crop from moisture and contamination. From here, the kernels begin their long journey to the processing facility. From here, the kernels begin their long journey to the processing facility. Ahead, a modern popcorn factory awaits, where raw grain becomes a global snack. The harvested kernels are delivered straight to a controlled processing zone. Every load is logged digitally before entering the plant.
The first stop is the raw kernel intake system. Alignment must be exact to prevent spillage and maintain purity.
Gravity unloads the kernels into powerful subterranean conveyors. These conveyors transport the harvest to towering steel silos. Elevators move thousands of tons daily with clockwork precision. Here, kernels rest until the cleaning and sorting stage begins. When needed, valves release exact quantities for processing. From here, the kernels begin their transformation into popcorn.
Each definition on the try-mark rate price.
Technicians ensure each batch meets strict internal specifications.
Ahead lies the first major step of refinement: deep cleaning and sorting.
A modern popcorn factory is a self-contained ecosystem of precision engineering. Every person entering the plant follows strict hygiene protocols.
Cleanliness is the foundation of food-grade production. Inside, thousands of moving parts coordinate every stage of production.
The kernels arrive exactly as they were harvested, ready for refinement.
The first stage: removing dust, husk fragments, and field debris.
Cyclonic extraction clears unwanted particles in seconds.
Magnets eliminate even microscopic metallic fragments.
Here, advanced cameras analyze each kernel individually. Only the highest grade kernels continue to processing.
With cleaning complete, the kernels advance toward conditioning.
Hydration begins, raising internal moisture for an ideal pop.
Each kernel absorbs moisture at a tightly controlled rate.
Technicians confirm every batch meets precise moisture standards.
Next, controlled drying stabilizes the kernel's internal pressure. Next, controlled drying stabilizes the kernel's internal pressure.
Heat tightens each kernel, preparing its shell for explosive expansion.
Rapid cooling locks in the moisture and prevents over-drying.
Only clean, fully conditioned kernels remain.
High-speed air removes impurities without touching the product.
Human eyes provide the final selection before processing. Processed kernels gather for the transformation ahead. Precision dosing ensures each popping chamber receives a perfect load.
Next, the explosive heart of popcorn manufacturing, the popping line.
The kernels enter high-capacity kettles, built for rapid, uniform popping.
The heat saturates the chambers, pushing internal kernel pressure to its limits. Each kernel becomes a tiny pressure vessel, seconds from transformation.
Then, in a controlled eruption, corn becomes popcorn.
Immediately, the popcorn exits to prevent overcooking.
Airflow cools the popcorn and preserves its delicate texture.
Vibration trays separate perfect pops from unpopped grains.
High-pressure air removes the last tip. High-pressure air removes the last unwanted bits.
With popping complete, flavoring begins.
Rotating drums ensure every piece is evenly coated.
Flavors bond to the warm surface, creating the signature taste. Next, high-tech automation inspects each batch with absolute precision. Every kernel now passes through a precise optical evaluation. Air jets remove imperfections in fractions of a second. Safety systems confirm zero metallic contamination. A thin, edible glaze locks in both flavor and crunch.
Multiple tumbling stages refine texture and consistency.
Cooling stabilizes the structure and prevents sogginess. Uniform moisture is critical for long shelf life. Advanced sensors ensure precise seasoning levels. Every handful must taste exactly the same.
Homogenizing creates a consistent final product across the entire batch.
From here, the product branches into specialized packaging lines. Next, advanced automation ensures precision down to the gram. Advanced flow gates guide every kernel with engineered precision.
Optical scanners instantly detect low expansion pops for removal.
Servo-driven belts synchronize thousands of pieces into a single uniform stream.
Automation ensures every handful leaves this line evenly spaced.
Conditioning tunnels prepare each batch for flawless flavor binding. Smart analytics predict wear before it disrupts production.
Every nozzle is calibrated to deliver exact seasoning flow.
Laser guidance ensures the line never drifts off path.
Ultra-sensitive load cells measure each batch in real time.
This control hub synchronizes every movement on the line. A full-line sync check ensures flawless flow to finishing. With automation primed, the finishing stage begins. Every kernel now enters the heart of flavoring.
A perfectly dispersed mist locks flavor in evenly. A micro layer of oil binds every grain of spice. Rotational dynamics guarantee total coverage.
Human eyes ensure the seasoning meets spec.
Cooling locks flavor and stabilizes texture.
Settling tables ensure consistent fill density.
Smart weighers measure exact packet quantities.
Safety systems guard against contamination.
Gravity feeds each portion into its final package.
High-speed sealers produce hundreds of packets per minute.
Aligned packets head to intensive quality checks.
Aligned packets head to intensive quality checks.
Random samples enter the testing protocol.
Each selected pack must match target weight.
Seal strength is validated under controlled pressure.
Moisture levels determine shelf stability. Expert panels ensure flavor remains signature. Microscopic checks safeguard purity.
Durability tests simulate real transport stress. Seasoning ratios must fall within strict limits. Pressure tests confirm packaging resilience.
Color scanners detect even slight roasting changes. Approved batches move to final packing.
The final river of packets enters the packing hall. Robotic systems arrange each pack with perfect alignment. High-speed tape heads secure every shipment. Every box receives its traceable identity. Automation builds precise, stable pallet stacks.
Tight wrapping protects each pallet during transport.
Completed pallets enter climate-controlled storage. Material handlers move shipments to outbound bays. Precision placement ensures safe, long-distance delivery.
And this is how modern factories produce popcorn from start to finish.
A fully optimized process, engineered for efficiency. Stay tuned for the next deep dive inside modern manufacturing.
Welcome to our Inside Manufacturing Factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how sugarcane's step by step.
Fresh sugarcane arrives by truck from nearby fields. Bundles are carefully unloaded for initial inspection. Each stalk is inspected to ensure top quality. Approved sugarcane heads to the washing area. Stalks are chopped into uniform pieces. Pieces are sorted for efficient processing. Preparation mills start breaking down the fibers. Initial pressing releases raw sugarcane juice.
Samples ensure consistency in preparation.
Steam heating softens the stalks for better yield. A last inspection guarantees purity.
Prepared sugarcane moves to processing.
Batches are weighed for accurate production. Dust control maintains a safe environment.
All right, team, let's move to full production.
Teamwork ensures smooth preparation.
Safety protocols are always in place.
Preparation complete, ready for extraction. Crushers extract the sweet, raw juice. Lime is added to clarify the juice. Heating separates impurities effectively.
Skimmers clear away unwanted materials.
Fine filters ensure crystal clear juice. Evaporation turns juice into thick syrup. Density is monitored for perfect consistency. Pipelines transport the syrup seamlessly. Carbon clarifies for ultimate purity.
pH is adjusted for optimal processing.
Controlled cooling prevents crystallization too early.
Agitation keeps the mixture even. Pumps feed syrup into boilers. Central control ensures precision.
Byproducts are recycled efficiently.
Sensors track every parameter.
Batches are managed for traceability.
Cleaning maintains hygiene standards.
Shifts ensure round-the-clock production.
Processing complete. Syrup ready for crystallization.
Seed crystals start the transformation.
Boiling grows the sugar crystals.
Robots handle precise sampling. Centrifuges separate pure crystals. Molasses is drained away.
Washing refines the crystals further.
Hot air dries the sugar perfectly.
Sieving ensures even granule size.
Purity is verified at every stage.
Silos hold the transformed sugar.
Optics ensure uniform color. Agents prevent clumping.
Core transformation yields pure sugar. Energy is recovered sustainably.
Automation controls crystal growth.
Molasses finds use in byproducts.
Safety barriers protect workers. Tracking ensures quality control.
Ventilation maintains air quality. Transformation complete. Sugar ready to package.
Sugar heads to packaging lines. Automated fillers portion the sugar.
Seals keep the sugar fresh. Labels add branding and info.
Boxes protect during shipping.
Taping ensures secure packaging.
Robot stack for distribution.
Wrapping stabilizes the loads.
Barcodes track every package.
Manual checks add assurance.
Options for different market needs.
Sustainable packaging is prioritized.
High-speed efficiency in action.
Dust control for purity.
Quick stops for safety. Customization for clients. Weights are double-checked.
Packaging complete, ready for inspection.
Visual checks catch any issues. Lab tests confirm quality.
Metal detection ensures safety.
Records track every batch.
Forklifts prepare for distribution.
Products head to markets worldwide.
Warehouse holds stock securely. Inventory is managed digitally.
Sustainability is audited regularly. Pest control safeguards products. Temperature control preserves freshness.
Exports are documented thoroughly.
Coordination speeds distribution.
Final checks ensure integrity.
Green energy powers distribution. Feedback refines our quality.
Distribution runs around the clock.
Sugar reaches global destinations.
Quality assured, ready for the world.
And that's how cane sugar is made. Congrade, from start to finish.
Welcome to our inside manufacturing factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how crispy samosas are produced step by step.
The filling must be perfectly balanced for flavor. The filling must be perfectly balanced for flavor. Every samosa is precisely portioned.
heated sealing machine presses down. Perfect, airtight seal.
All right, let's get this wrapped and moved out.
I'll take the next one to the staging area.
Watch the forklift coming through Bay 2.
Every pack is checked before shipping.
The texture is spot on. Listen to that crunch.
Absolutely, and the spice blend is excellent. This is a winner.
And that's how crispy samosas are made, from start to finish.
Welcome to our inside manufacturing factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how fresh pineapple juice is made, step by step.
Every journey starts with the finest pineapples, carefully selected for quality. Inspection ensures only the best fruit enters production. Smooth conveyor transport keeps the process efficient and safe.
Cleanliness is critical on Craig. Every pineapple is thoroughly washed. Our team constantly monitors every stage for perfection.
Uniform chunks are key for consistent juice extraction. Even the smallest pieces are carefully checked. Safety and hygiene are a top priority. Every chunk moves seamlessly toward transformation.
Precision setup ensures maximum juice yield.
Juice is extracted gently to retain natural flavor. Filtering ensures smooth, pulp-free juice. Every batch is carefully balanced for perfect taste.
Blending ensures smooth, uniform flavor.
Final checks before heat treatment lock in freshness.
Filtered juice moves into state-of-the-art mixers for consistent flavor. Advanced mixers ensure uniform texture and sweetness.
Our team carefully monitors every parameter for perfection.
Observe the natural texture and color of pure pineapple juice.
Every batch is scientifically tested to ensure consistent taste.
Precision automation guarantees a flawless mixture.
Careful transport keeps flavor intact.
Every degree is monitored for optimal juice quality.
Homogenization creates silky, smooth consistency. Fine adjustments ensure a signature pineapple flavor. Every drop is treated with care for maximum freshness. Consistent circulation guarantees even taste in every bottle.
Automation increases efficiency while maintaining hygiene.
Careful pipeline transport preserves aroma and color.
Pasteurization eliminates bacteria while keeping flavor fresh. Careful observation guarantees perfect output every time.
Rapid cooling locks in natural taste and nutrients.
Enhancements enrich the juice while keeping it natural. After precise mixing and processing, the juice is ready for the next stage.
Homogenization ensures a smooth, consistent juice texture. Every droplet is blended to perfection under precise pressure.
Quality is checked at every step to guarantee excellence.
Smooth flow ensures minimal oxidation and maximum freshness.
Every batch is visually inspected for clarity and purity.
Pasteurization preserves flavor while eliminating microbes.
Every degree is monitored to retain natural pineapple taste. Careful observation guarantees consistent results every batch. Rapid cooling locks in flavor and nutrients.
Final blending guarantees the signature pineapple flavor.
Every drop is carefully handled for perfect quality.
Taste tests ensure each batch meet our standards.
Automation maintains consistency while reducing human error. Final filtration guarantees a smooth, premium product.
Every drop is guided safely to the bottling safe.
Precision filling maintains consistency in every bottle. Sealed bottles preserve freshness and flavor. Every label is perfectly placed for a professional finish.
Final checks ensure only the best bottles leave our factory.
Automation streamlines packaging while reducing handling efforts.
Every box is carefully inspected to meet quality standards.
Sealing machines ensure every box is safely closed for shipment.
Palletizing robots maximize efficiency and reduce manual labor.
Human oversight guarantees safety and stability of shipments.
Shrink wrapping ensures products remain intact during transport.
The packaging floor is a synchronized orchestra of precision. Every bottle is tracked for quality and traceability. Automated verification prevents errors before distribution.
Every stage of packaging is coordinated for maximum efficiency. Safety measures protect products on their journey.
Logistics ensures fresh juice reaches every market on time.
Automated loading maximizes efficiency and safety.
Every shipment is carefully organized for delivery. From raw pineapple to packed bottles, every step is managed with precision.
Every product is checked for clarity, seal, and label accuracy.
Precision inspection guarantees premium quality.
Even after packaging, every batch is tested for flavor and safety.
Technology ensures only approved batches leave the factory. Efficient logistics keep the product moving smoothly. Careful handling ensures every shipment arrives safely.
Distribution is streamlined to deliver freshness everywhere.
Every pallet is carefully arranged for safe delivery.
From factory to market, our juice is on its way to customers. Our modern factory blends technology with quality production.
And that's how fresh pineapple juice is made. 2 trays, from start to finish.
Every bottle reflects our dedication to quality. From farm to juice, every step is managed with precision. Handled with care, every bottle tells our story. Our process is seamless from start to finish.
A modern factory combines technology and craftsmanship. The fruit of our labor is a refreshing taste of nature.
Thank you for joining us on this journey behind the scenes.
Subscribe and never miss a behind-the-scenes factory tour.
From farm to juice, every step is crafted with care.
Our journey begins at the Controlled Zebra Preservation Ranch, where sustainable sourcing starts.
Specialized handlers guide the herd using humane movement corridors. Each step follows global welfare protocols for ethical sourcing.
Only healthy animals cleared through medical checks continue forward.
Temperature control systems ensure safe, low-stress movement. Each crate is engineered for secure, humane transfer. Digital ID tags enable full traceability of every unit.
Loading begins with precise, vibration-controlled equipment.
Data from the ranch syncs automatically with the factory's central system. With documentation complete, the journey to processing begins. A monitored route ensures safe transit to the facility.
The transport moves through remote lands toward industrial infrastructure.
Road conditions improve as the journey nears the processing center. Ahead lies the specialized facility where zebra leather begins its transformation. Transport enters the regulated industrial zone, where every movement is monitored. Mandatory weight verification ensures safe transport and compliance. Digital tracking maintains the identity of every unit during transit. Coordinated movement reduces risk and keeps the supply chain efficient.
The facility maintains strict perimeter control for safety and traceability. Automated scanners verify cargo status without stopping the movement.
Precise loading docks reduce vibration and protect incoming materials. Behind these doors lies the highly controlled processing environment.
Inspection ensures each crate arrived intact and secure.
Soft gradient ramps support safe, controlled unloading. Every step focuses on reducing mechanical stress on the raw hides. Materials move directly into controlled temperature intake chambers. From here, the journey advances to inspection, cleaning, and classification. Now the transformation begins, inside the factory walls. The factory stands ready to transform raw materials into finished leather. Strict access control ensures only authorized personnel enter the facility.
Beyond this gate, precision and hygiene guide every step. Vehicles align perfectly with intake stations to streamline flow.
Every movement minimizes stress on the raw hides. Mechanical handling ensures consistency and speed without damage. The exterior flow leads directly into controlled hygiene zones. Tenders. Verification at intake prevents processing errors downstream. Organized storage ensures efficiency for the next phase. Automated lifts position materials precisely for subsequent cleaning. Systematic storage ensures quick retrieval for dispatch. From above, every movement is orchestrated to maintain flow. Sorting early in the process prevents cross-contamination. Controlled entry into cleaning zones marks the start of transformation.
All right, team, PPE secure. Let's move to the processing machinery according to the plan.
Preparation and verification ensure consistency from the first touch. Now, every hide will undergo initial cleaning and sorting. Initial cleaning removes surface debris while maintaining leather integrity. Manual inspection ensures only premium hides continue forward. Mechanical flow guides hides efficiently to the sorting line. Grading early prevents mixing and maintains product standards. Advanced sensors complement human inspection for precision. Soaking restores elasticity for processing. Consistency requires teamwork and attention to detail. Organized storage speeds up the core processing stage. Every movement is coordinated for smooth, uninterrupted flow. Controlled lighting aids in visual quality assessment.
Chemical treatment prepares hides for tanning. Removing moisture ensures uniform absorption in later stages.
A second check confirms quality before main processing. Attention to detail ensures only premium hides proceed.
Now, the real transformation begins, inside the heart of the factory.
The core processing stage begins, where hides are softened and stabilized. Rotation ensures uniform penetration of tanning chemicals. Every batch is monitored for chemical balance and safety. Processed hides exit the drums ready for subsequent stabilization.
Neutralization removes excess chemicals and prepares leather for drying.
Controlled moisture removal preserves hide texture.
Hides now enter drying to stabilize fibers for finishing. Air circulation ensures even drying without tension damage. Continuous inspection guarantees quality at every step.
Next, leather receives its color, blending tradition with technology. Uniform dyeing ensures consistent color and aesthetic appeal. Rotation guarantees every hide receives full treatment. Excess dye is removed before drying, preparing hides for finishing. With core processing complete, hides move to transformation for texture and strength enhancement. Now, hides undergo mechanical transformation to enhance texture and durability. Mechanical stretching aligns fibers for optimal strength. Pressing ensures a consistent surface, ready for finishing. Buffing highlights natural patterns while eliminating imperfections. Every hide is inspected to maintain premium standards. With core processing complete, hides move to transformation for texture and strength enhancement. Conditioning restores flexibility and suppleness. Prepared hides now advance to the final finishing stages. Visual checks confirm readiness for surface enhancement.
Finishing solutions enhance color, durability, and texture.
Controlled drying preserves the finishing layer evenly across each hide. Polishing enhances the natural pattern, giving a premium finish. Edges are perfected for uniformity and aesthetic appeal.
Inspection ensures only flawless hides advance to automation systems.
Now, cutting-edge automation prepares hides for precision finishing. Automation merges technology with craftsmanship for ultimate quality. High-tech automation begins, integrating precision with speed. Every hide is measured with millimeter precision.
Automated markings guide subsequent sorting and processing.
Precision robotics ensure accuracy and efficiency. Sensors continuously monitor quality, feeding real-time data to operators. Polishing combines technology with craftsmanship for perfect surfaces. Edges are refined with robotic accuracy.
Laser scanning ensures consistency before precision finishing. Hides are now ready for precision finishing and final touches.
Speed meets control as automation bridges core processing to finishing. Protective conditioning preserves leather integrity for longevity. Buffing ensures each hide has uniform texture and luster. Every hide is inspected meticulously before human hands refine it further. Automation bridges the gap between transformation and precision finishing.
Technology and craftsmanship work together to perfect every hide.
Now, the hides enter the precision finishing lines, where detail matters most. Skilled hands enhance surface texture, creating a flawless finish.
Edges are perfected to ensure uniformity and aesthetic quality.
Buffing highlights natural patterns and prepares hides for final checks.
Every hide undergoes meticulous scrutiny before marking and labeling.
Identification and branding are precise and uniform for traceability. Protective coatings safeguard leather for long-lasting use. Protective coatings safeguard leather for long-lasting use.
Drying ensures the finish sets consistently across each hide.
Human touch perfects texture and enhances natural patterns.
Precise measurements confirm each hide meets rigorous standards. Even the finest details are verified before dispatch.
Organized sorting ensures efficiency for storage and shipment.
Robots carefully handle hides to maintain quality and alignment. Before dispatch, every hide undergoes final quality assurance. Now, precision instruments validate quality before shipment. Move to transformation for texture and strength enhancement. The final stage of quality control begins, ensuring every hide meets standards.
Precision instruments verify thickness and suppleness for consistency.
Color is measured to ensure uniformity across each batch.
Every surface is checked for blemishes or inconsistencies.
Chemical analysis ensures hides are safe and ready for use.
Even the finest details are scrutinized before approval. Quality certification ensures only flawless hides proceed to dispatch. Organized packaging maintains order and prevents damage.
Protective layers safeguard hides during transport and storage.
Final verification combines human oversight with automated records. Efficient movement prepares pallets for organized storage.
Every pallet is accounted for before leaving the factory. With quality assured, hides are ready for shipment to customers worldwide.
Final stage. Hides are packaged, stored, and prepared for dispatch.
Careful preparation ensures safe transit for every hide.
Protective wrapping shields hides from moisture and damage.
Accurate labeling ensures traceability and proper handling.
Organized storage keeps the factory efficient and ready for dispatch.
Coordination ensures smooth transfer from warehouse to transport.
Precision loading prevents damage during shipment.
Proper securing guarantees product integrity until delivery. Vehicles depart loaded with premium zebra leather for clients worldwide.
And this is how modern factories produce zebra leather from start to finish.
Every hide is now on its journey to customers around the globe.
From raw hides to finished leather, every step is meticulously managed.
Skilled hands and technology work together to deliver perfection.
Every hide tells a story of craftsmanship and precision. Thank you for watching.